Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to clone a GitHub repository. And for those who are wondering about GitHub, what it really means, I've made a video on this channel where you can look up what is GitHub and how to create repositories on GitHub. Now let's jump into the video for the day. The first thing you want to do is to go to your PC, go to your drives, any drive at all. I'm going to choose my C drive and you create a folder. Okay, let me create a folder right now. Let me go to users and create a folder. Go to Sage C and create a folder here. Let's say I want to call this new folder. I'll call it my my test folder. Okay, let me call it my test folder. A test folder. Okay. And now, next thing I will do is to go to my git bash, okay? Once you're in git bash, and once again, if you don't know what git bash is all about, I've made a video as well about git bash terminal, so you can actually look that up. It's under GitHub, and you can find your way around how to use git bash. So once you're here, guys, you can see we want to find out what directory we're working on currently. So we'll do present working directory, pwd. That gives us, it says we're in Sage C. So in Sage C, if you do the command list, it gives you a list of all the files or all the folders that are here on Sage C drive or Sage C folder. It gives you all this, and if you look carefully, you see that our test, it should be here. This is our test folder, which we just created right now. So we want to be able to be working in this particular folder here. So let us do the command change directory to test, cd to test, and so what I'll do first of all, I'm going to clear my screen just so you can see the command at the top of the screen. Let me click on clear, and then let's go here and do cd into test. Okay, now it says that we are in the test folder, and let's verify this even more clearly by doing pwd. And it shows us that we are in the test. You can see right here, this is the test folder. So this is the folder we want to be working on. Now that we're here, what we can do is to simply go into GitHub. So this is our GitHub right here. And don't forget, I'm already signed in, so you can always sign in the correct way. Okay, so let's sign in right now, and we're in. Then what we do next is to go to repositories. This is a quick way to find your repositories right here if they've been created. Else you can create a new one here by going here to say repositories, and then you make a new one for yourself. But I'm going to go to repositories, okay, the same place, repositories, because I already have some. Okay, repositories. I'm going to choose any of these ones. Let's say I want to choose project 75. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. And now that I've chosen this one, next thing I will do is to simply go to where it says code, which is here, highlighted code here. Click right there. It drops down to this view, and then you choose the copy button right here. You copy. That is copied right now, and then you go into git bash terminal. Next, you write the command git clone, and then open your quotes, and you paste the link which you copied. You paste this right here, and then you close the quotes. And then you click on enter. Once you enter, it says cloning into project 75. That takes a while, and then once this runs through, it says here it is done. As you can see right now, it's done. So the cloning has taken place. Let's verify if it's true. What we'll do is to go into the test folder that we created and see what is in there. Previously, it was empty. It was an empty folder that was created. So let's go back into there and have a look. Let's see, back to our files, and this is our test folder. Let's open it, and we can see right here that it now contains project 75. This has been cloned. If you click on open, you can see right here, this is the content of that folder right here, which was cloned from GitHub. Let's go and see exactly if these files exist on GitHub. Let's go right to GitHub. Here is GitHub, and you can see that all these files do exist on this repository called Project 75. So our job is done. Alright, so that's how you can clone a GitHub repository. I hope it was helpful, guys. The video has now come to an end. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye for now.